Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hello friends, this is Android Ingression, and in this video I am going to tell you about the Android Oreo update of Samsung Galaxy A series 2017. So let's watch. So friends, the Android 8.0 is now rolling out for A series 2017 in almost every country. As you can see, the latest firmware updates from sammobile.com. These are the firmware of A3 2017. These are of A5 2017. These are of A7 2017. And soon guys, I will make a review on them. So guys, this is the latest news. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Peace out.